it feels different like this. So I'll do before. That's before they come to park. So yesterday they were at the basement. Today they're coming to do all this. So I'll just leave it like that. And then they come and take each and everything and put it away. The company is outside. And what they do is they come with the boxes. And then you show them what you need to move. As I said, you already did a quotation. And then we did a list for the insurance. And then they tag everything and say, like this, toys, and more toys and toys and toys and toolbox. So they put everything in order for you so that when it gets to the other side, it's perfect. Gaming chair, including the shelves. So I don't want to take any risk to go there and they don't have any shelves. And then I have to order them, and then it will take the same amount of time and triple the amount of time to get it to wherever I'm going to. So while I'm here in Asia, I can as well order what I need. Ooh, they need to pack this one too. Still needs to be packed. Yeah, man, that's quite exciting. Yeah, it's one chapter closed. Day 3 of packing, moving. We reached the kids' bedroom, so they've already started packing there. We open it up a bit. There you go. Then they're able to also pack the corridor, get everything out. Pretty neat. We haven't reached here yet. My studio does not look the same anymore. I tried to take out the soundproof yesterday, really messed up the wall. So we're going to see what they say. But other than that, it's easy. So that's how the after looks like. Took out everything. Ah, man, we gotta figure out. So probably the people who are coming to paint, I'll just leave them for them because they said you don't have to take out most of the things. They will come do the painting for the next person coming. So that's in the agreement, so don't panic. Then we have all this stuff in the hallway that has already been packed. Guys moving pretty fast compared to the video yesterday. The record player and the rest of the stuff, the records, the remaining stuff on this side is already out. So probably they will do the bookshelf, disconnect the... you know what? They are actually packing this thing as it is. So probably I'll go to IKEA in the place we're going to and get some extra sticks so that in case anyone breaks, I can always replace it, and then they will do the carpet and the rest of this. And that's it. So tomorrow we'll start with the kitchen. Kitchen is a mess, damn. But we have to have it ready. These are all the plugs, Japanese plugs that I'm going to give away. And the same with here, because you know we're moving from 110 to 240 volts. That's a European plugs. TV area also I did. So I just left the internet, the plug that I don't need, and then everything else is set to go. So you just put it like this, they come and pick it up and do their thing. Don't have to stress too much. Here I ordered the product to be able to remove the sticky part. So that's coming tomorrow. Same with here, I had a line and a cover running on top of it. Kinda, because of the sun, kinda messed it up, but not so bad. It's because at the end of the day, they're going to put some type of wax on the floor so that they will figure out what to do. Besides that, basically that's it. See you on the next video, maybe tomorrow. Maybe everything would have gone, but by Friday this will be the last bit of the whole tease. And I'm cooked and finished. Tired, but okay. You gotta do a bit when they're around. I like to give people space to do their job because I expect people to do their job properly. And the same with me when I'm doing my thing, I like space. So I do most of the stuff at night, sort it out, and make sure by the time they come in the morning, there's enough stuff for them to do on that particular day. Then we move to the next process. And also the way we curated it was that the kids can have somewhere to sleep. We can have a place to put our clothes and stuff, which makes it easy. The kitchen has to remain functional, and some of the appliances we're leaving, so it's not so much stress. It might look a mess, but it's because we're cooking, eating, and doing everything in here. That being said, yeah, peace. Damn, emptiness. Did you ever imagine it was this size? It never looked like that size because, wow, the echo is echoing. It never looked like that size, but one desk and another desk, and then to the other side like that. And I really did so much with it. So sometimes it's not about the space you have, it's how you use it and how you do not damage. But anyway, this, they can cut. They usually have some sort of paper that they put on top. This one that came out, so probably they're going to use that. See how it goes. Moving along. So they couldn't carry the box. The box is here. Julian is chilling. Just came from watching Star Wars. Says it was quite cool. They also parked here, so they still have the painting to remain, the books, carpet. Need to vacuum this before they come tomorrow. And then on this other side, it's just, basic stuff. Yep, that's the update for today. It's looking good. We're getting, what's happening to my voice? The Mary in me almost came out. So it's looking good. And then tomorrow, we're going to start working on taking out the beds, taking out everything else, so that Friday can be the final part, probably the kitchen. They can start tomorrow evening. Besides that, I'm excited. Once they're done, then I can chill, man. Now, it's a bit of here, a bit of there. Well, see you on the flip side.